Hey everyone, I actually don't know why you're clapping. I'm the boring one today. So welcome everyone. I'm actually on stage for a couple of minutes. I'm here to talk about some of the logistics for today and tomorrow. It is a two-day event. There was some confusion about kind of like what day 2 is. We've got a whole bunch more talks on the second day, so just to let everyone know, everyone's tickets are still valid for the second day, which is a good thing. So anyway, hello everyone, welcome. My name is Paul Kinlan. For anyone who doesn't know me, I work on the Chrome and the Web Developer Relations team at Google. And it's actually really exciting to be here, not only because it's a great city and it's great to talk to all you guys, is that I get to bring the weather with me, right? Like in Liverpool, it was raining when I left. And I'm sorry about that if it was me. But yeah, I'm only here to do the logistics today, to talk about kind of some of the things that are happening and the overall flow of the event. We've got a whole bunch of
I ran a transform stream on the Wikipedia page for cloud computing. This is it, but every time it sees the word cloud, it's replacing it with but, which is great to read. Whereas I've got a favorite bit in here. See if I can find it. There it is. Oracle announced the Oracle but. While aspects of the Oracle but are still in development, this but offering is poised. I love the term but offering. That's great. So Service Worker is, this is Bruce Lawson's logo for Service Worker. I like it. It kind of makes me feel slightly drunk. It's great. You can polyfill new network features with it. You can become a faster network resilient, more network resilient. We've gone through a lot of stuff here at lightning speed, and that monitor's gone off, and I've got one slide left, so let's rush. There's also a free Udacity course where you can take a website from online only to offline first to use it over a series of examples. Covers the app shell model in IndexedDB. And with that, before everything just sets on fire and breaks, thank you very much. Cheers. And now it's time for a break, because I need one. So we're going to be back here at 11:30 for the next talk, which is by Emily, all about HTTPS. Thank you. Cheers.
All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for playing my personal theme music.
So we're going to build better engagement on the web using web push notifications. We're going to send notifications that are timely, precise, and relevant. Just think about these things and ask yourself, would I want to receive this notification? Are my users going to be delighted by this experience? We should make sure to ask for permission in context, so the user knows what they're signing up to, and they're likely to click through because they see the value proposition in what you're giving them. And be awesome. You know, we have these new amazing superpowers. Use them to build awesome, amazing new experiences for your users that you're going to love, your company's going to love, and that they're going to love. And with that, I'm going to leave you with a few links where you can read more about this. We have a guide for getting started with push notifications, and then some details about the encryption aspects. Tomorrow, we'll have some code labs where we'll go through some of this stuff. And coming soon on Udacity, there'll be a course there, so you can learn about that if you're watching from home. So thank you very much. And I'm actually really excited to be the person that gets to tell you that it is now lunchtime. So you can go around and back. There'll be lunch also up on the mezzanine level. And we'll be starting back. The next talk will start at 2 o'clock. So make sure that you're in here at about 1:50 so you can be ready on time. Thank you.
That's good, because everybody else got an intro. And then they were like, you're just walking on. Sort yourself out. So I was prepared to be like, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Paul Lewis.
That's pretty cool. So this is why I'm so excited about web components, because it allows for this flexibility, it allows for the good reuse on the web again. And this is just a button. You can imagine building an entire app out of components. If you don't want to get started, so if you do want to get started, go back, you can actually check out and try to use some web components yourselves. So Polymer has put together a really awesome set of reusable and very useful components for different types of things. And there's also customelements.io that has a list of web components you can check out. So with that, that's all the time I have. Again, this is me on Twitter if you want to hit me up with questions. I think now we're going to transition to a break. We're going to take 20 minutes because those guys went over. But I really do appreciate you guys sticking around. Thanks for your time. Go componentize the web.
People never get that excited for my talks, so cool. How's everyone doing? Are we good? Yeah, cool, great. I was thinking about kind of how I was going to start this whole presentation off, and I'm terrible at starting presentations, so just be.
So to get started, if you're interested, by the way, just Google Web Bluetooth samples. It's really the easiest thing. Like I said, we've got a code lab that we're running tomorrow, and a bunch of devices to play around with. We also have a pile of physical web beacons that you can keep. We don't have enough for everyone, I don't think, so we'll figure out how to throw them at people was my idea, but they said no. With that, I hope this gives you an idea of some of the exciting areas that are going to make progressive web apps even more exciting in the future. I hope you've learned a lot today. Please come back tomorrow. We've got lots more talks from other browser vendors, partners, and you have a chance to talk with us in office hours and experiment in the code labs. So thank you very much, and I think Paul Kinlan's going to come back up and close things out.
Oh, hello. Wow. I was testing. I shouldn't be testing on. Hey, hello, everyone. I have a hand mic this time because I'm only on for literally a couple of seconds, which is good. That music, I didn't realize it. We've got it online. If you want to listen to it to your heart's content, it's on SoundCloud. Hey, it does work. Hey, thank you for that. Thanks. Yeah, so now it's a break. I can't believe I'm getting on stage just to tell you it's a break. It's a break, half an hour, we'll come back. I do encourage you, we've got a lot of questions come through for the moderator panel already. Make sure you definitely keep submitting questions if you have more questions, especially thinking about the browser compatibility and issues around that as well. Submit the questions and then we'll hopefully get them answered. So back here, half an hour. Is it good? Cool. Hello, it's me again. Hey, it's more, more people. Hello. Cool, thank you. I mean, you guys can all come off if you want to stay on. If you want to stay on, if you want, that's good. I'm going to say thank you, Jeremy, not for the panel, but for mentioning web intents. That's good. You always like that. No, the panel was great. I enjoyed it. One of the things I was going to say is that I know there's a lot of other questions. We do have the office hours after this. So after this session now, we've got some lunch. We've got code labs. The code labs are on the third floor if you go through, where we'll have people helping you build or integrate kind of progressive web apps into kind of experiences. We've got a load of like tutorials and guidance to go through. It's pretty good. It's on the third floor. You have to get through the lift or the elevator or whatever we call it, the lift. The office hours are going to be in the main foyer. They're going to be labeled up as kind of different areas. We're all going to be pretty much there. So if you have extra questions that you want to ask, we can, we'll be able to answer all the questions that you have for during the day, at least. I do have things. It's not that slide. Live stream and record. Oh God, yeah, I've completely forgot what I was supposed to talk about. The live stream is about to end. I'm very sorry for live stream viewers, but thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it. There is a lot of questions that came through from people who are on the live stream. I'm going to try and work out a way that we can sort out kind of different answers and a bunch of other stuff that we can help out, like help give you that information that you asked for. Because obviously you're not here, so you can't ask the panel, like the panelists. But yes, thank you very much for coming to the live stream at least, and then we'll see you soon. The videos will be available.